Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you can know when I upload. Alright, so you can tell by the title of this video that we'll be trying some sugaring now. Never done this before, and I've been hearing about sugar and I've seen a couple of people do it, and I was like, why not? I have the ingredients. So this is what we're working on. I'm kind of shame because I never show it like this on camera now. I'm not saying anything is wrong with hair, nothing. It's just me personally. I like to be hairless everywhere. I don't like the hair under here, and I usually would get them waxed, but because of the quarantine, you know, so we kind of have to try to do things at home, and I don't like shaving every day. I get irritation under my skin and I feel like it makes under there darker, and I like everything just one color. So we're gonna try to get rid of all of this. I can't believe I'm showing this on camera. I know it's not that big of a deal, but you know, we're just used to everything just clean. So we'll see how this goes. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're just gonna start out with some granulated sugar and a couple limes, and then we're just gonna use about half cup of the granulated sugar. Throw that into the saucepan. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of water. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and stir everything together, make it into a smooth paste. Then when we transfer our mixture to the stove, we're gonna have it on about medium heat. Not long after, it starts to bubble, so I'm just using my spoon to just stir it around, and then we can see here it's starting to turn brown. So right here I just turn off the heat. So this is how it looks after we remove it from the heat. So I'm just gonna stir it around a little bit because stirring helps it to cool, and then I'm just gonna leave it to just cool and sit for about maybe 30 minutes. So after like 30 minutes, this is what happens. So it's very firm, and then this is how the paste, well, not even paste, the wax starts to look. Alright guys, so right now I'm just kind of kneading the quote-unquote wax. I'm not even sure if this is how it's supposed to look, but I'm gonna try a thing. So I'm just gonna take some rubbing alcohol and just clean the area. Guys, do not judge me for how my underarms look. It's been a minute, we're in quarantine, and I did use some scissors and clip the hairs down just a tad bit. Then I'm just going to apply some powder to the area just to remove any excess moisture. You can use baby powder, cornstarch, arrowroot, or even some loose setting powder if that's what you have. Alright, moment of truth. So I'm showing you guys the direction of my hair, and then I'm just going to apply the wax in the opposite direction of where my hair is growing. And I see these wax people, they try to do this like 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 coats, but boy, struggling, man. I wasn't sure what this thing was doing, and I was like stuck. So I tried to get it to coat like 2 to 3 times, and then I'm just gonna pull. Alright guys, so after that first fail, I had to commit. As I was saying earlier, I put the wax in the direction against the hair growth, and I pull in the direction that the hair grows, and this was a struggle, but I got some hair out. Alright guys, so I decided to grab some gloves because I don't know if my body heat was making this thing melt, and I did the same thing. Put the wax in the opposite direction. Some of my hairs went up. I think most of my hair kind of went in the same direction, but boy, not a professional. So this is me trying to figure out the hair, and I don't know if this glove thing worked because the wax was gonna wax all on my face. This was just a mess. Guys, I don't think you understood the struggle, but I don't think I really liked it with the gloves because the wax kept sticking to the gloves, and the gloves were a bit bigger than my hands, and oh my god, I was struggling. Also guys, I have my hand like that holding onto my shoulder, trying to pull the skin as tautly as possible so when I pull the wax it doesn't bruise. So this thing kept happening with the gloves. It kept sticking to the gloves, and I was just so over it. I said, you know what, I'm going back to just using my bare hands. Alright, so this is where we at so far. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I had to change my blouse because my other one was such a mess. And now we're just trying to get rid of like any like those stubborn hairs, because I do have some stubborn stubble. So same thing, I'm showing you guys the hair and I can't see it. Yes, no, maybe so, it's there. All right, so this is what we're dealing with, and this is the progress so far under the first armpit. Still have a little bit of stubble, but we got rid of that later. All right guys, so on to the next side. Same thing I did, I trimmed the hairs a little bit, clean perp alcohol powder, apply the wax in the opposite direction of hair growth, and then pull the wax to rip off in the direction of the hair growth. So that's what came off so far. Oh, I also should mention that after each rip, I tried my best to just apply some pressure with my hand to the area, just to kind of ease any stinging a little bit. You know how they usually do it when you go get your stuff waxed. I tried. Alright guys, so we're almost done, and I realized I changed a messy shirt just to get another shirt messy. Lindsey. Anyways, so this is what we are working with so far on the last bits of wax. Any stubborn hairs that I had left over, I just use a tweezer and pluck them out. Honestly, I use some water to just rinse any excess wax off of my skin, and then I went in with my aloe vera gel and some witch hazel and applied to both armpits just to kind of cool and soothe the areas. Not too bad, I guess, for my first time sugaring. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. We have the little before picture there in the corner, so yeah. Okay guys, so if you want to store it, you're just gonna need like a empty container. This is just like something I had some hair product in. Then you're just gonna take some oils. These are the oils that I use in my hair, and just kind of coat the container just a little bit, just to kind of coat it. Nothing crazy, just to give you an idea. Let me, it's kind of hard doing this video, just to kind of coat it. Then this is the sugar. For example, you have your sugar ball. This is what I had left, and you kind of just drop it in there. Alright guys, sorry for that horrible cut off. I was just gonna say, when you're done putting it in the container, you're just gonna place it in the fridge and store it so it won't stick to the container, and you're able to use all your product. Also for the pot, all I did, or all you can do, is just fill it with some water and just leave it to soak. I mean, it is sugar and it will come out easily. Wash it easy peasy, nothing crazy. So obviously these pictures are just showing some before and after of the sugaring. Remember guys, I'm not a professional. This is my first time. I'm just a small struggler doing a thing in them yard, trying not to shave. So if you are a professional or an esthetician or a cosmetologist or something, please comment down below. Tell me if I did something right. Tell me where I went wrong. Please tell me how, like, any tips or tricks up your sleeve, and maybe next time when I'm doing this, I will leave my mixture in the fridge a little bit, just not too long, just to cool a little bit more, especially since I am in a hot climate, you know, so it doesn't melt as quickly when I'm using it. Alright guys, also thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, also for me personally, I do like to exfoliate my armpits. That's just a me thing, because in my mind it just like prevents them from getting dark. So I would exfoliate. I would not exfoliate until at least, I wouldn't exfoliate before 24 hours after this. So I'm just gonna wait maybe like 2 days, and then I'll exfoliate, you know, to prevent dead cell accumulation, ingrown hairs, all that good stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. We're grow the family over here, so you know the things stay. And follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth. I'll leave the links down below in the description box, and also I'll leave some links to some of my other videos in the description box down below, and I know I have some links going on in this video too. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for more videos. Till next time, bye.